We will now test whether our XAMPP installation was successful and whether the Apache server, the PHP module, and the MySQL server are working together as they should. I uploaded a few files on the Elm space, um, and you can access those under this example files link. You'll see module 3 there. If you go into that folder, you'll see 5 PHP scripts here. One of these, this one, php info.php, will help you test your PHP installation. The next two are there to help you test your MySQL installation. But you'll need only one of these. If you did not assign a password to your MySQL installation, you will use the first one. That's the default option for most people. Or if you did set a password, or if you prefer to set a password, which I will show later, you can use this test XAMPP with password PHP file. And then the next two are there to help you test whether the PHP module issues error messages and notices. You want to be able to see both the error messages and the notices. By default, those messages or notices may be turned off. That's not what you want. You want to be able to see them so that you can understand what's wrong in your PHP scripts. So what I will do is I will download these files on my hard drive. There is a particular folder that we need to put these into to be able to view them through our web server. Now, if you simply left click on these files, you'll just see the text in them. They won't be downloaded. So what you need to do is to right click on them and then select save link as or save target as, depending on what browser you're using. And the particular folder where you need to save those files are on your hard drive, of course. In your root folder, there should be a folder called XAMPP. That's where the whole XAMPP installation went. So you click on this and you should find this htdocs folder. This is the folder where you should put all of your PHP files to be able to see them through your web server. If you put any PHP file outside of this folder, you won't be able to see them or run them through your web server. So everything goes in this htdocs folder. Now you can save the files directly under this folder, or you can build a folder structure here if you want to. For example, you can start a new folder here, call this infm 718n, and save the files under here. If you want, you can use a more intricate folder structure. For example, you can dedicate a separate folder for each module. For example, module 3, and save the files here. So the first file is already saved. I will save this. Next one, that folder again. Next one. So you'll need only one of these two, but I'm saving both to show you how they work. This test errors and test notices. So this completes the first step.